5 ways to stay motivated to reach your big dreams. Big goals? Check. Dreamer mentality? Check. Support circle? Check. It looks like the only thing you're missing is motivation, which plays a huge role in your quest to chase your big dreams. Staying motivated means staying on your A game. It means not letting anything bring you down and stopping at nothing to get to the point that you want to be. Are you up for it? Good. Let's follow these 5 ways to stay motivated. 1. Define your reasons. Notice how we said define instead of look for or list. Defining your reasons requires you to put effort into explaining your why. It's a massive part of staying motivated, because without reasons, you probably wouldn't be chasing dreams in the first place. It helps to list them out, so start writing. 2. Have fun with it. It's all about perspective. If you approach this as if it's a huge drag, you're not going to be as successful as you'd like to be. On the flip side, if you view it as an exciting challenge, it'll be a lot more enjoyable. Try to have fun with your dreams. 3. Be adaptable. Change is the only constant. That sentiment is no different from your journey right now. Things will come up, and your plan may take an unexpected twist, and what you need to do is be patient and adaptable. Being adaptable will ensure that you're ready to deal with anything that life throws your way, which makes your dreams bigger and better in the long run. 4. Be proud of your progress. As you go along on your mission to chase your big dreams, make sure to take note of your progress. Celebrate big wins and celebrate small victories. Make sure your effort does not go unnoticed. If you keep celebrating how far you've come, you'll be motivated to aim for something even bigger. 5. Give yourself rewards. You're celebrating your efforts, so you might as well reward yourself too. Don't forget to treat yourself for working hard, whether it be a spa day or a pizza night. These rewards will show you just how important it is that you keep going one day at a time. So you're really after something. Congratulations! You've come far just by reading this and working towards something more significant than life. You'll get there. Just make sure you stay motivated and don't forget to celebrate how much you're doing. Good luck.